Hey guys, time to do another mod on the Bronco. So today we're heading down to Karl's Advanced Automotive and Air Conditioning in Ormond by the Sea, which is near Ormond Beach, which is otherwise known as the birthplace of speed, down the road from Daytona International Speedway. And today we're installing a Mishimoto intercooler on a 2.7 liter two-door Outer Banks. Wanted to do this at home, but I only have some ramps, and I also wanted to film it, which I probably couldn't do, so bringing it down to Karl's, and we're going to have Zach, the mechanic, do his thing, and we're going to see how it goes. So let's head down and get it done. A good shot of this. Let's see what I get. Yeah, that's a good one right there, probably. Yeah.
So,
oh yeah, cool.
You pull it away.
Yeah.
And then it should stay. Pull it there and then slide it back. No, it's both sides.
Oh, both sides. I got you.
Right here.
Just clips.
There's a little notch that keeps it open.
The one I put in doesn't have this spring.
Okay, you have to take the front one out. It's notched, but look at the notch.
So you have to take the front bolt off, and then you can. The rear bolt does not have to come off.
No.
Ah, lovely.
But all this plastic, it just dampens the noise. So when it's pressurizing, you'll be able to hear it more with the aftermarket.
So we take off the, I guess those are bushings or whatever they are.
Yeah, it's mount bushings.
Little, definitely wider. Not a problem. Yep, just level it up.
Okay.
You want me to hold that? Pretty good fit.
Yeah, really good. I really thought it was going to be more difficult with the how much wider it is.
This is a master class, folks, on how to do this one-handed from a master mechanic. Don't try this at home, people.
Okay.
Used to race here in Daytona.
Central Florida.
Okay. What kind of cars did you race?
2002 WRX, non-STI. Not the legal kind of racing.
Zach, thanks, man. That
Not
was
a
so
problem,
awesome.
anytime.
This is your guy if you want anything done at Ormond by the Sea, for sure. All right, so a couple of final thoughts on the install. One is you could probably do this at home with some ramps with a buddy. I wanted to film it. There was no way I would be able to film it doing that. So if you want to try it at home, you probably could get it done. Second thought is the Mishimoto compared to the stock intercooler is like, wow, major difference in weight, in size, in ability to get airflow, cool it down, and I saw an immediate difference when I actually got in, and typically I get this, this acceleration lag, the turbo lag, which I've been dealing with, but it has subsided a little bit since I installed the intercooler. So I would say if you're going to do any mods, this is like one of the mods I definitely would do without a doubt. Third thought, the instructions for the Mishimoto are a little misleading, at least on the 2.7 for the two-door Outer Banks. It shows the 2.7 having a fan shroud that would need to be, I guess, disconnected from the intercooler and then reconnected using some hardware they give you. There was none of that when we took it apart. The stock just dropped out. There was really nothing attached to it, nothing that needed to be reattached to it. So I would say the directions on that are a little bit misleading. You just drop it out and replace it with the Mishimoto, at least on the 2.7 two-door Outer Banks. I don't know if anything else might be different. And that's it. I definitely highly recommend the intercooler. The Mishimoto was perfect fit, easy to install, and definitely I saw results. So enjoy, have fun, see you later.